Hi friends, welcome back to my channel SciTaker. In this one I'm going to bring you the exciting news on the Realme GT Master Edition. Yes friends, something related to the Realme UI 3.0. Finally the Realme did send the early access invitations for the Realme GT Master Edition. And in case if you are using the Realme GT Master Edition, make sure to go to the settings and try to click on the software updates and try to click settings option. And try to register for the trial version because this is very limited slots only. So once you apply for the early access, you will be getting the message saying under review, and after some time you'll get the message saying approved as well, and later after a couple of hours, maybe a couple of days, you will be receiving the Realme UI 3.0 beta version early access in the Realme GT Master Edition. Finally friends, this is the end of the year 2021 and 31st of December, and finally Realme did it. I thought the Realme forgot about this Realme GT Master Edition update in this December because Realme did promise the GT series will be getting the Realme UI 3.0 update in the December, right? GT series and the Realme X1 Max twice. All those phones did receive the update except Master Edition. That's the reason I thought Realme forgot, but finally end of the year, good news for all the users. So make sure to register as soon as possible because this is very limited slots, and once after the So after these limited slots completely get filled, you won't get any kind of notification about the early access. So you need to be as much as fast as possible in terms of registering for this early access. Try to register as soon as possible friends, and right now I'll try to show you the demonstration as well. Once you click on the trial version, try to click on the early access and then try to click on the apply now option. As you can see, right now you'll get the apply now option. Once you click on the apply now option, try to enter your details regarding the phone number or email address. Once after you enter your email ID, then you'll be getting the message saying your application was successful, as you can see finally. And I'm trying to mention again and again, this is very limited slots. If you watch this video after 5 days or 4 days or 6 days, you will not get early access option at all. So this is very limited and you need to be as quick as possible. That's the reason, make sure to follow my channel, subscribe to my channel. As soon as I get the updates, I'll try to upload the video so you guys can get the update as soon as possible. So make sure to subscribe to my channel friends. And right now myself, I did register for the trial version. And once it gets approved and once the update is released for the Realme GT Master Edition, then I'll be able to download and install and then review it. And one more quick note, do not download. Wait for my review at least 1 or 2 days. Please do not download because we did have previously bad experience with other smartphones regarding performance and camera and battery life. Everything got affected with the connectivity as well. We don't want those things to happen in this device. So please wait for my review as well. And that's it friends. Finally, this is the end of the 2021 and I wish you all happy new year as well, and thank you Realme for sending this Realme UI 3.0 update and keeping your word exactly what you said, because Realme did promise all the GT series will be getting in the December, and finally end of the day we got this Realme UI 3.0 trial version on the Realme GT Master Edition. That's it friends, thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more updates, and in case if you're having other questions, let me know in the comment section below. And meanwhile, signing off, until then stay tuned and don't forget to subscribe and stay tuned for more updates on the Realme GT Master Edition regarding the Realme UI 3.0 update. Meanwhile, signing off, until then stay tuned. Bye.